Hi and welcome to the Holdings page. On this page, you can obtain more information about the funds in your portfolio. The number of units in each fund, the price you paid for those units, the most recent unit price, the total value of your holding in each fund, and the proportion of your total fund portfolio held in each fund. If you want to see historical performance data for each fund, just click on the chart. It displays data from Morningstar, and manipulate the chart to display the information you're looking for. Thank you. I hope you found this video useful. There are other videos available covering the additional content and functionality available to you.